Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Where did you go? Where did you go? ನೀನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ? She is my sister. She is my sister. ಅವಳು ನನ್ನ ತಂಗಿ. She is beautiful. She is beautiful. ಅವಳು ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. This is my bag. This is my bag. ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್. Help me please. Help me please. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡು. Call me please. Call me please. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ಕರೆ ಮಾಡು. He is my brother. He is my brother. ಅವನು ನನ್ನ ಸಹೋದರ. He is good. He is good. ಅವನು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವನಿದ್ದಾನೆ. That is mine. That is mine. ಅದು ನನ್ನದು. Give me phone. Give me phone. ನನಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಕೊಡು. Wait for me. Wait for me. ನನಗಾಗಿ ಕಾಯಿರಿ. Tell me quickly. Tell me quickly. ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳು ಬೇಗ. What did you do? What did you do? ನೀನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ? He studied well. He studied well. ಅವನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದಿದನು. He is laughing. He is laughing. ಅವನು ನಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. He is working. He is working. ಅವನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. He is sleeping. He is sleeping. ಅವನು ನಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. They are standing. They are standing. ಅವರು ನಿಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. We are talking. We are talking. ನಾವು ಮಾತನಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. He played game. He played game. ಅವನು ಆಟ ಆಡಿದನು. I have heard. I have heard. ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ. She has written. She has written. ಅವಳು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. He is waiting. He is waiting. ಅವನು ಕಾಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. I am working. I am working. ನಾನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. He is sitting. He is sitting. ಅವನು ಕುಳಿತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. She is crying. She is crying. ಅವಳು ಅಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. I read book. I read book. ನಾನು ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಓದಿದೆ. She come back. She come back. ಅವಳು ಮರಳಿ ಬಂದಳು. He is my friend. He is my friend. ಅವನು ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತ. She is good girl. She is good girl. ಅವಳು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. This is mine book. This is mine book. ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಇದೆ. That is mine house. That is mine house. ಅದು ನನ್ನ ಮನೆ ಇದೆ. I am hungry. I am hungry. ನನಗೆ ಹಸಿವಾಗಿದೆ. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. ನನಗೆ ಬಾಯಾರಿಕೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. I ate food. I ate food. ನಾನು ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. We are going. We are going. ನಾವು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. They are coming. They are coming. ಅವರು ಬರುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. He is reading. He is reading. ಅವನು ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. Open the window. Open the window. ಕಿಟಕಿ ತೆರೆ. Close the door. Close the door. ಬಾಗಿಲು ಮುಚ್ಚು. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel.